What is the ISF process for goods transported by cruise ships? Cruise ships are a popular way to travel, and they offer a unique experience that can't be replicated by other forms of transportation. However, there are some important things to know about the ISF process for goods transported by cruise ships. What is the ISF process? The ISF process, or Import Security Filing, is a set of regulations that are designed to improve the security of cargo entering the United States. The ISF process requires that importers provide detailed information about their shipments to Customs and Border Protection (CBP) before the cargo arrives in the United States. This information includes the shipper, consignee, commodity, and value of the shipment. Why is the ISF process important? The ISF process is important because it helps CBP to identify and intercept dangerous goods that could pose a threat to the United States. The information that is collected through the ISF process can also be used to track shipments and investigate potential criminal activity. How does the ISF process work for cruise ships? The ISF process for cruise ships is similar to the ISF process for other types of cargo. However, there are a few additional requirements that apply to cruise ships. Cruise ships must file an ISF for each shipment that they bring into the United States. This includes shipments that are brought on board the ship in a foreign port, as well as shipments that are transshipped from another ship. Cruise ships must file the ISF at least 24 hours before the ship arrives in the United States. This deadline can be extended to 48 hours if the ship is arriving from a foreign port that is not equipped to process ISF filings. Cruise ships must provide CBP with the following information about each shipment: the shipper's name and address, the consignee's name and address, the commodity description, the value of the shipment, the country of origin of the shipment, the port of embarkation, the port of discharge. What are the penalties for failing to comply with the ISF process? The penalties for failing to comply with the ISF process can be severe. Individuals and companies who fail to file an ISF or who file an ISF that is incomplete or inaccurate can be fined up to $10,000 per violation. In some cases, individuals and companies may also be subject to criminal prosecution. The ISF process is an important security measure that helps to protect the United States from dangerous goods. Cruise ships must comply with the ISF process in order to ensure that their shipments are processed smoothly and that they do not face any penalties.